More details are coming in about an earthquake that struck Ishikawa Prefecture on the Sea of Japan coast.
Authorities say there is no threat of tsunami damage.
The magnitude 6.5 quake struck around 2:42 p.m. on Friday, local time. It registered an upper 6 on the Japanese seismic scale of 0 to 7 in the city of Suzu. In the town of Noto, the quake registered an intensity of upper 5 on Japan's seismic scale of 0 to 7, while the jolt recorded lower 5 in the city of Wajima. The earthquake also registered an intensity of 4 in the city of Kanazawa and some municipalities in neighboring Niigata and Toyama prefectures. Long tremors that could rock high-rise buildings have been recorded in Ishikawa. The Class 3 tremors were felt in the city of Suzu. Experts say they can make it difficult for people to remain standing, and can even topple furniture. Japan's meteorological agency calls this type of shaking long-period ground motion. It affects people on higher floors.